This project is a perfect example of what a vanilla box really is.
I'm with Raul right here. We're at 1033 Estates Road.
Boulevard.
Right, in Hamilton Township. And we're going over, he's looking to do an extension. He's gonna tell us his vision. It's something like the neighbor. Go ahead, Raul, take it away.
So I want this whole thing to come out till here.
Okay,
This whole thing
that thing,
and that one.
and okay,
Whole extension from that corner to here.
one big box.
One big box.
Okay, we got this right here. Just pour this. Need the exact height. How far below that window? Okay, so we're here now. You can see we're on this side.